Meaning of embalm.
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 Embalm. The word embalm refers to the process of treating a dead body with chemicals in order to preserve it. During the embalming process, the body's blood is drained and replaced with a mixture of chemicals that delay decomposition and prevent bacteria growth. This helps to maintain the body's original appearance for an extended period of time, allowing for open casket funerals and viewings. The result of embalming is a preserved body that appears lifelike, with natural skin color and a peaceful expression. However, embalming is not required by law and is a personal choice in many cultures.